As this is actually a weekend home for the clients, so every weekend they come here at 5 o'clock and they have a swimming in the pond. Where they are sitting and have a cup of coffee, get a very beautiful sunrise view from the deck itself.
Farmhouse itself is built in such a way that it can interact with the nature in every sense.
Hi, I'm architect Maniraj.
Myself, architect Sanjukta.
Myself, architect Arjun from I2 Architect Studio.
Join us for an exclusive home tour of Monsoon Farmhouse in Thrissur.
To watch premium videos and access PDF ebook, log on to buildofy.com. The link is in the description below.
When we visited the site initial stage, at the time itself it was highly vegetated in this area and all, and the initial thought was to see the paddy field in the 180 degree itself.
We wanted it to be in the nature. That means you can experience everything, and it should be like you are into your nostalgic environment here. The project is located in a village called Pullut, which is near to Kodungalur in Thrissur district.
The plot area near about 1 acre. The half acre of the plot we have done the pond layout and the landscaping, and rest half acre is kept for the building. The farmhouse was the concept of inside out home. We tried to combine the space with the natural garden spaces so that the space can invite birds and small creatures to live in that area. From the entry itself, we decided to create one avenue. The journey from the entrance to the building gives a feeling of tropical forest. So this is the first level of contour, and this is the second level. Here is our structure is coming in this first and second level both. The broken Bangalore stone was placed in such a pattern that it matches with the backside boundary wall, which is done in rubble masonry. We deliberately lifted the plinth to have a feeling of infinity green in front, because this side we are having the view of paddy field. So we placed the gazebo here. From the first level, here is the entrance. We will have some step up towards one interactive zone, which is a large deck area.
And so that if you enter inside the formal living, you are entering into a larger space. We are in the central core space of the farmhouse right now. The core space is divided into 2 levels. The upper level is the formal living, and we have the lower level with the family living and dining cum kitchen.
Then on the either side of the semi-public zone, we are having the private area like bedroom and toilet.
We are having the 2 bedrooms in this farmhouse, and the 2 bedrooms is facing to the east. The 2 bedrooms are designed in the different scenario. Like this is actually where we are standing is in the master bedroom of this farmhouse. Where in the master bedroom we provided seating space for writing or any kind of using the laptop. And in the second bedroom that we have the bay window also. The person who is here is much fond of music, and also he can play the guitar, all the things and all.
So initially we thought to make a man-made pond here. The pond was not existing here, so we thought to make a pond.
So it is totally man-made pond. There was no existing water body on the site. When we came to the concept of the project, the client came up with a concept that he wants traditional Kerala temple pond. So first we decided to go for the material like rubble stone, as we have done our retaining wall with. So later we decided, as we are going for traditional pond itself, so go for the traditional Kerala stone that is available here, that is laterite from Kannur. When we took the stones from the Kannur, here they cut it into the size of the brick. So it was a heavy task. So they cut the stone, they placed it one above another with mortar. That water actually came up from the ground itself. So we started digging the soil and got the water level. The color itself came like sea green. We didn't need to put any artificial color in it, and the greenery around it keep the reflection and makes it more lively.
Actually, the building is a steel structure building. After designing the structure, the individual elements was manufactured and we bought it here, and use machinery. We got to install everything because it is all on bolts and joints. Whole skeleton was made. Right after that, you have to provide a solid floor. For that, we have used the deck material, decking sheet, and we have did the concrete on the base. And after that, only we started raising up the walls. So it is basically like skin and bone.
Being an architectural firm, we actually practice both traditional and contemporary architecture. So this project having both the elements. So all together, the tropical architecture practice of our firm, this project actually reflects in every way.